I'm Josh Cole from the Recreation Department. Welcome. We've got a new initiative going on. It's called Let's Move Walpole. It was started in conjunction with the Board of Health, Recreation Department, and the schools. And we've got with us today the Maria Hall from the schools, and I'll let her introduce herself. Maria, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you. I'm Maria Hall, the new school nutrition director here at Walpole. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm here to talk with you about some new initiatives that we have planned to roll out for this new school year. In collaboration with the Let's Move Walpole, as well as some program grant funding that's available through the New England Dairy Council, and with collaboration with the NFL, a program called Fuel Up to Play 60. We secured some funding that will help us to roll out these initiatives. There's a lot of new regulations that are set forth with the state and federal government regarding school food nutrition, and what we're doing is we've rolled those into our new menu. And with our new menu, and considering all the different changes in food allergies and the number of students and staff that suffer with these, we've implemented some new products that will meet their needs for the different food allergies. For example, gluten intolerance. We have gluten-free bread available, gluten-free products that will be highlighted on the menu so that the students and staff can enjoy those items.
Great.
Yeah, so we're excited about that.
You've got something else started at the high school with the breakfast program. Can you tell us a little about that?
Sure. At Walpole High, last year we worked with the students that were the seniors and art students, as well as the student council, and we did a program where we let them come up with a contest that would allow us to name and brand our new breakfast program at the high school. And they came up with the name, or the one that was awarded was called Daybreak Cafe. And they volunteered their time. They painted, and we have a logo in the caf and a section that will be sectioned off with some bistro tables and different things that, again, through grant funding, will allow us to do this. With that, we're going to roll out our breakfast program in that section. So excited about that.
Great. Yeah, so. You got a lot happening at the schools. You also told me a little bit about Extended Day and your involvement with that program. Can you let people know?
So the other issue, or the other thing that we're excited about is we're going to roll out at the elementary level so we can pilot our breakfast program, and then we'll roll it out to the whole district. But the breakfast program will roll out with Extended Day, and with that, part of the initiative and the grant funding, especially the Fuel Up to Play 60 piece, Fuel Up standing for, eating healthier, and the 60 pieces has to do with 60 minutes a day of physical activity. We're going to incorporate some new exciting physical activities in the Extended Day curriculum, and that will include our opportunity to purchase equipment that will support those initiatives for the program. In addition to that, with the Extended Day, we're going to work with some students from colleges, and they're going to work in helping to implement and control and watch as we move forward with that.
Great. You got a lot happening. Yeah. People that are looking for more information, how can they get more information about what's happening at the schools? You can tune into these. We'll be offering these hopefully monthly, and we'll have you part of it. Let's Move Walpole is going to be pretty active in this, and we're going to try to get people more active and more aware of healthy alternatives. But we'd love to have you back and have you discuss some of those as you go forward. I know you've been on the job less than a year, right? How long? When did you start?
January.
Great.
So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So you can reach me at 508-660-7284, or by email mhall@walpole.k12.ma.us. And there's a link on the Walpole, the Walpole page, the school page. If you go to Walpole Schools, you can go to School Nutrition Department. And I'd love to hear any feedback, email, or communications. And I hope that you're pleased with the new menu that we'll be rolling out.
Great. We'll also have information about how to get involved with Let's Move Walpole. I know they've got some things scheduled for Adams Farm Day on September 17th. So we'll try to make you aware of that as it goes forward. But thanks for tuning in. This is Let's Move Walpole and our first video, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.